Like many other homeowners, my wife and I over the last couple of years debated whether or not we wanted to move out of our existing house and into another house, a bigger house as the kids were growing up, or choose to renovate. Our house being our biggest investment, we wanted to make sure that we selected the right partner.
We really have an idea of what we like, but we have no idea how to put together. With Andre, he really gave you like a detailed outline of what you were paying for, what the budget covered.
We were more aware of everything that we would need to know before any walls were broken down.
And I must admit, I'd heard so many horror stories about renovations, but truly, Sosna made this really a really nice experience.
We've never in my life would have imagined that a renovation would be as smooth and seamless as it was.